Life is a game. Life is filled with probabilities, and the chance of you succeeding with this trick, 100%. You know, unless you fail, then the chance is not 100, so don't fail. Boom, here we are. Check it out. I'm going to be using my own deck today. We don't really need the tuck case, and we don't need the entire deck either, so I can toss these cards over to the side. Now I'm going to hand it over to the spectator and allow them to shuffle it up as much as they would like. There we go. They can, you know, just go insane with some of the shuffling if they'd like. And now we're going to split the deck into 2 piles. They don't have to be even, just 2 piles. We'll spread them out and have a spectator select a card from each one of these piles. Let's say one card, just one card right here, and the other card right there. We'll spread them up and we're good. Now we'll take a look at either of those cards. Let's say this one first. Take a look and remember this card. You don't have to remember the suit. Forget about the suit. Don't worry about that. Just remember the value of this card, because now we're going to be doing some math. So take the value of this card. I want you to now double this value that you see here, okay? Once you've doubled it, I want you to add 5, okay? So double, add 5, and now multiply by 5, okay? I know it's some pretty insane math. Hopefully you got that remembered. So I'll take it, put it on over to the side, and also remember the value of that card. So you're remembering 2 things. You're remembering the final value you came to and the value of this card. Now here we have the second card. Take a look at it. Bam, there it is. I know, pretty insane stuff. Now to add this value to your original value that you came to. So not this value, but the mathematical calculations that you did. So you want to take that number and add this number. Again, don't worry about the suit, but you should have one final number now, okay? So, what is that final number? 109, okay? Are you sure? I know, it was some insane mathematical calculations. But if the number is 109, that means the numbers that you selected were an 8 and a 4. Bam, here we are. Switched up the camera angle on you a little bit, just to throw you off, throw myself off. You know, because why not? A little bit of background on this effect. It's known as the numbers game, I believe, by Oren Krinsky. Completely self-working mathematical card trick. With that bit of background, let's go ahead and break it down. First things first, as you probably saw in my performance, you do not need the entire deck, right? So you saw I took a huge chunk of cards and just got rid of them. And the cards that I got rid of were 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace, any add cards, any jokers. So you want to get rid of all of those right from the get-go. So you're left with just cards ranging from Ace to 9. So once you got these cards, the way I like to perform is I hand the deck over to the spectator, allow them to shuffle the deck up as much as they would like, and then cut the deck into 2 piles, okay? And this is a lot more interactive if you have 2 spectators. I think it has a much more powerful effect. So let's just say you have 2 spectators. Spectator 1 goes ahead, selects their card. Let's say it's that one right there. Spectator 2 also goes ahead and selects their card. Now, one of these cards needs to be the, I guess, quote-unquote, first card. So let's just say this is the first card, and it is the Ace of Diamonds. Very easy to do math with Ace. So the Ace value is a 1. So what you're going to do is double the value of the Ace. Now the value is 2. Then you add 5, which gives you 7, and multiply by 5, which gives you 35. Now if this was a, I don't know, a 5, then you would, what would you do? You would double, giving you 10, you'd add 5, giving you 15, multiply by 5, giving you 75, okay? So you have to double, add 5, multiply by 5. In our case, the value ends up being, what was the value? The value is 35. So the spectator has to remember their card, which is an Ace, in this case a 1, and the value of 35. Now we look at spectator 2's card, and it is a 2. Wow, what are the chances? What are the chances of that? But all you have to do now is add the value of 2 to the value that was calculated originally, which was 35. So the answer is 37. And now you just have the spectator tell you the total value they came to. So the spectator does all the math. All you have to do is remember the value of 37 now. Now I'm going to give you like 5 seconds. I want to see if you can figure out how I'm able to calculate the value of each of these cards just knowing the number 37. All right, your time is up. So the way that we calculate the value of each of these individual cards, we take the total value the spectator just told us, 37, and we subtract 25. That's it. We just subtract 25 and we get our numbers. So 37 minus 25 is 12. So you know the cards the spectator selected are 1 and a 2. Of course, 1 corresponds to Ace. So you can tell the spectator you picked an ace and you picked a2. That's it. It's that simple. That's it. All the math you have to do is minus 25. The spectator does the rest of the math, and it's all self-freaking working. And that's really all there is to it. If you want to check out some more cool card tricks, click on this video right here because I want to be there with you. We're gonna end our videos wearing a hat now because I just grew to like this hat so much. And Magic Monday is not Magic Monday without a quote of the week, so this one is by Zig Ziglar. He says, "If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you're determined to learn, no one can stop you." Keep on learning, guys. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you really soon. Peace out.